How to adjust the spray coverage of an impulse lawn sprinkler. Impulse lawn sprinklers project a stream of water onto the desired location of a lawn or landscape in a side-to-side motion. The motion of the sprinkler helps to evenly distribute water over an area of grass or plants. You can adjust the distance that the impulse sprinkler travels from side to side as you can the distance and dispersion pattern of the water. Things you'll need: impulse sprinkler, garden hose with water supply. Connect the impulse sprinkler to a garden hose. Place the sprinkler in the desired location in the yard or landscape by pushing the spiked end of the sprinkler into the ground. Position the sprinkler so the diffuser end is pointing toward the desired location of the grass or landscape. Set the trip arms on either side of the impulse sprinkler half-inch apart initially as a starting point. Turn on the water supply. Stand behind the impulse sprinkler and observe the pattern of the water. Turn off the water supply before adjusting. Adjust the left trip arm back so the impulse sprinkler will travel further to the left. Adjust the left trip arm forward to reduce the distance to the left the sprinkler travels. Repeat the adjustment for the right trip arm. Locate the diffuser adjustment knob on the front of the sprinkler. Turn the knurled adjustment knob to the left to extend the distance that water travels from the sprinkler and to also reduce the diameter of the water stream. Turn the diffuser knob to the right to shorten the water stream and disperse the water pattern.